part 51 of chapter 3. A disciple of Husamuddin wished to make a vow never to do an act not expressly authorized by the canon law of Islam, for the purpose of administering the oath to him. Instead of the Quran, a copy of the Ilahi-Nama, divine hymns of the philosopher Sana'i, was placed on a lectern, covered over with a cloth, and tendered as the book on which he was to swear. Just then Jalal came into the room and asked what was going on. Husam replied, "One of my disciples is going to make a vow against backsliding. We shrank from swearing him on the Quran and have therefore prepared a copy of the Ilahi-Nama for the occasion." Jalal observed, indeed, why the Ilahi-Nama would draw down on a forswearer a more severe chastisement than the Quran itself. The word of God is but milk, of which the Ilahi-Nama is the cream and the butter. I presume they're talking about one of those God name lists. Now, are there narrations that Muhammad, he never said only Hadith Qudsi 40, only names of God, Asmaul Husna 99, no. But he gave, isn't there narrations of 499 lists, and it adds up to 101, and other people have even put 319, so you know that's what we're talking about here.